Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI in VS Code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is open up VS Code, and then from here on the left hand side we've got different options. Go ahead and click on the extensions options. Then it's going to say search extensions in Marketplace. So type in Perplexity here. Here it is here, Perplexity AI. Make sure to spell it correctly. So time recording, it's got over 33,000 downloads and installs. This is the one we want to go ahead and use. So the features here is streaming responses in incremental output, secure API key storage using VS Code secrets, model selection, citation tracking for AI responses, error handling, dark theme matching VS Code aesthetics. Now from here, go ahead and click on the blue install button. So trust publisher and install. And then once you've done that, if we come at the top, it's going to say disable uninstall, meaning you have got it installed on VS Code. Now once it's installed, I'm inside a Perplexity chat. I've just created a new tab here, and we can go ahead and find it on the left hand side. Here it is here, Perplexity AI.